This is the easiest way to bulk update all of your titles on YouTube in seconds. Now what you're going to need is you need to go to this website called TubeBuddy right here, and once you're on the site, you can see right here you do need the legend plan, so you can get this for a month and then cancel it, or you can actually apply. There's a bunch of discount codes just online that make it really affordable, that give you like 20-40% off even. So I got mine for about $15 because I found a good discount code. And basically you're going to need to sign into TubeBuddy, create an account, and basically link your channel to TubeBuddy like so. And once you've done that, you want to get the Chrome extension, TubeBuddy Chrome extension. In doing so, you'll basically need to refresh your channel's homepage just like I've done so here, and you'll see the TubeBuddy features just show up. And you can see this thing. We want to go down to content right here and then click on this bulk and MISC editor corner in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once done this, you can click on the find and replace text feature and click on the find and replace text. You can see right here I'm trying to replace 2025 with 2026, and basically once you've done that, you click on continue option right here, and it's actually going to give you a demo in the bottom of the screen. It's going to basically just replace every single text that lines up with this, and you can even customize more settings, such as if you only want to replace the 50 videos just on your home screen, like the last 50 you've posted with these title updates. And then you click on continue option right here, and it's going to take a second to load, but it'll display X's on the videos that do not contain these words that you're trying to replace. In the videos that do need to be replaced, it's basically going to show a green check mark. And as you can see, once it's actually pulled up all the videos containing the word that you want to replace in the title, what you need to do before you click on continue is you click on the all option if you want to select all of them right here, or you can do individual text boxes just by clicking on these options right here. And as you can see, once it's selected all of the video titles that you want to update, basically you need to click on the continue option right here, bottom right, and you can see it's going to be like, are you sure you want to select these 9,000 or 100 videos, whatever your number is. You want to check yes, and you can see right here when we click on start, it will take about 30 minutes if you have like 9,000 videos like me, but it'll give you an update on how many have actually been updated. This is the easiest way to update titles, credits, descriptions, and end screens of the video, and it will display any errors down here, so you might need to rerun this if there are video errors, or update them yourself just by searching for the titles that you're trying to update. It updates about 100 titles per minute. You can see it's been about 2 minutes and it's updated almost 250 titles already. So let this run and you're good to go.